Hey guys, hello, welcome to our next class. आज मुझे तुम तमन को कही कि मुझे बहुत जल्दी तमन को ऑन एग्जामिनेशन रो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स प्रोवाइड कर देबी सो मु क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पूरा रेडी करके आनी चाहिए पूरा समस्त को सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम आम वीडियो को स्टार्ट कर दबा so that we can complete it in complete the question answers in just in one video. So for unit 1 माने on examinations रो unit 1 रे जो question answers अछि सेटा first कर दबा. Think it out. Does the writer like examinations? Quote the line in support of your answer. माने question रा माने डाला कि कौन राइटर को एग्जामिनेशन भल लगे जदि लगे ताहले भी गोटे लाइन माने एमती लाइन गोटे दियंतु जोटा कि एग्जामिनेशन राइटर को भल लगे बोली कहि कि जो दर्शाए नले जदि भी एग्जामिनर माने एग्जामिनेशन भल लगे नि राइटर को तो ता पई भी तांको सेही जिंस पई भी गोटे सपोर्टिंग सेंटेंस गोटे प्रोवाइड करंतु तो तार आंसर कोन हबो द राइटर नेवर यूज्ड टू लाइक एग्जामिनेशंस द लाइन टू सपोर्ट द स्टेटमेंट इज these examinations were great trial to me and great trial माने से examinations तंग में बहुत ही tough थिला okay तो screenshot नहीं जाओ जल्दी ये answer रो so that we can move on to the next question okay next question कौन दीजी mention the subjects that were dearest to the examiners mention माने को subject examiners को dearest थिला माने बहुत भल लगला. The subjects that were dearest to the examiners were Latin and mathematics. माने जो subjects examiners को बहुत ही भल लगुतला सेटा Latin और mathematics. Just आमे तो जानचे Latin और mathematics आम author को बिल्कुल भी भल लगु नतला. So please take a screenshot of it also. Then we'll go to the next question. Question number 3. Which subject did the writer like the most? Which subject did the writer like the most? माने को subject आम writer को सबुठु अधिक भल लागुतला. The subjects liked by the writer were history, poetry and writing essay. माने आम writer को history, poetry और writing essays भल लागुतला. Next question is what reason does the writer give for his not doing well in the examination? माने कौन reason देले आम writer कि से माने को reason जो आम writer examination भलो perform करि पार नथिले. There were many reasons because of which the writer was not able to do well in the examination. It was a great trial to him. Secondly, he was not examined from his favorite subjects but was examined from Latin and mathematics. Third, the questions were not asked from what he knew and when he tried displaying his knowledge, examiners exposed him. माने questions तांको accordingly नतला बिली कहिगिरी writer exam लिखि पारले नाही. Okay, next we'll move to the fifth question. What did the writer write in the answer book for the Latin paper? माने आम writer Latin paper पाई तांका answer book रे answer कौन लिखितिले? The writer was unable to answer even a single question in Latin paper. He wrote his name at the top of the page and then wrote the number of the question. After giving much thought, he just put a bracket round the number making it 1. In addition, he could make only small blots and smudges on the answer sheet. Small blots and smudges ता कौन actually एक तो तांको आंसर आसु नथला तो तांको बहुत खराब लागुतला कि तांको आंसर लग तो he was just in a sort of crying तो तले कांदिला बेलको आम आई आखिर जो लुहटा पड़े सेटा ड्रॉप्स पड़े तो सेही ड्रॉप्स को ब्लॉट्स को आजे और स्मजेस क्या को कुआ जाए ना जो माने आम पेपर रे माने जिंति आखिर लुह पड़ सारा परे सेतले सुखी जाए आमे देखो जो पेपर रे माने आमे लेखी जो जगह रे जदी सेठी किछ लेखा है तो से जगहटा स्मज हो जाए. ओके स्मज माने तो समझ बुझ पतो ना टिके माने कोन नहीं झापसा झापसा हो जाए स्प्रेड हो जाए इंकटा चारिआड़ को तो सेटा कहते स्मज तो तांको पेपर से ही फुल थिला ओके देन विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन व्हाट वाज द सैड स्पेक्टेकल फॉर हिम माने आम राइटर को पई सैड स्पेक्टेकल कौन थिला the writer was not able to answer even a single question in the Latin paper, even after much reflection. All he could do was to make small blots and smudges on the answer sheet. This was the sad spectacle for him, which he gazed for 2 long hours. ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ସେଇଟା ହିଁ ସବୁଠୁ ଅଧିକ sad spectacle ଥିଲା. Okay, next seventh question. What was the writer's position in the merit list for admission? In the merit list for admission, he was placed in the third division of the fourth or bottom from, and since the list was in alphabetical order, he was third last of the whole school. माने आमको क्वेश्चन पचराइछे कि राइटर को पोजीशन मेरिट लिस्ट रे कौन थिला एडमिशन पई ओके तार आंसर हबो जोटा मु स्क्रीन रे शो करची तो प्लीज तार स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं जा प्लीज सब जगह आंसर स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं जा और जो मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट नौ प्लीज मैंने लिखी नियो ताकि मैंने तम मन को हेल्प हो जिवो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स रु ओके देन whom does he give the credit of his success in the entrance examinations माने आम राइटर कहा माने तांकर जो माने सक्सेस रे क्रेडिट देले the writer gave the credit of his success to the headmaster Dr. Weldon who took a broad-minded view of writers Latin prose and judged his general ability. It was him who concluded that the writer regarded him as the one capable of looking beneath the surface of things and not merely dependent upon paper manifestation. Okay, the answer about please note it down. We will move to the ninth question without wasting any time. Ninth question on the what does he mean by gained no more advantage from the alphabet than from the wider sphere of letters? Okay, माने तांकर माने जो आम जो ऑथर कहते कि मु मो अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर रे भी मो ना रो किछि फायदा मु पाइलिनी व्हाई वाज इट सो माने से काहे कि सेमति कहले इन द राइटर स्कूल द नेम्स ऑफ द बॉयज माने राइटर को स्कूल रे पुओ मानन का ना were printed on the school list in alphabetical order माने तांकर स्कूल लिस्ट रे जो ना उडा प्रिंट होतला सेटा alphabetical order रे होतला and his name being Spencer Churchill gained no advantage from the alphabet. This is because in alphabetical order letter S comes towards the end and so did his name in the list. This made him say that he gained no more advantage from the letter S than from the knowledge of books. Okay, ninth question we'll move to the 10th question. How did he become the last boy in the class? माने राइटर आमर क्लास सब लास्ट पिला केमती हे गले writer's name started with the letter S, thus he was only two from the bottom of the whole school and the other two disappeared immediately owing to illness or some other reason, leaving the writer the last of all. माने सेमान दिजा schools छाड़ी देले due to some illness or something जोथि कि हम writer सब last ही जाइतले. Okay, 11th question. What is the custom of calling the roll at horror? Horror कौन तांका school रे तांकर roll call केमती डका हुए. At horror students would file past a master in the schoolyard and answer one by one. horror रे कौन होतला ना स्टूडेंट्स मान को गोटे जगह छिड़ा करा हेतला स्कूल यार्ड रे गोटे टीचर थांती गोटे मास्टर थांती जे कि तांकर रोल कॉल करूथिले. व्हाट इज द कस्टम ऑफ कॉलिंग द रोल एट इटन इटन कौन आमर प्रीवियस स्कूल जोटा थिला कहांकर आम ऑथरकर सेठी केमती होतला एट इटन बॉयज यूज्ड टू स्टैंड इन क्लस्टर एंड वुड लिफ्ट द हैट्स व्हेन देयर नेम्स वर कॉल्ड. सेठी कौन होतला ना बॉयज सब गोटे ग्रुप रे छिड़ाई थांती आ जेतल तांका ना सब डकाव से माने हैट्स रेज कर दियंती हैट्स. ओके, why he is last of all? Why did people say so? माने सी समस्त लास्ट रे कहीं सेमती पीपल कहीं कहते writer's name appeared last in the school list because of the alphabetical arrangement. Since he was the son of a great leader, people expected him to be on the forefront, but he appeared in the last. That's why people would say those words for him. Okay, now we'll move to the second unit ra question answers ku jiba. First question kon deji second unit ra, what kind of students were taught Latin and Greek at horror? ମାନେ କୋଉ ଟାଇପ ର ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଲାଟିନ୍ ଆଉ ଗ୍ରୀକ୍ ପଢା ହଉଥିଲା ହରରରେ? ଦ କ୍ଲେଭର ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ୱେର୍ ଟଟ୍ ଲାଟିନ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଗ୍ରୀକ୍ ଆଟ୍ ହରର, ମାନେ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ସବୁ କ୍ଲେଭର ଥିଲେ ଯେଉଁ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ମାନେ ସେଇମାନଙ୍କୁ ହିଁ ଲାଟିନ୍ ଆଉ ଗ୍ରୀକ୍ ପଢା ହଉଥିଲା. Which students were taught only English? The second question, which students were taught only English? Students who were considered dunces, who had no inclination towards Latin, Greek and mathematics, were the ones who were taught only English. Okay, जो students माने बहुत dull थिले से मानको English पढ़ा होतिला. The third question is, how does the writer rate English as a subject and Mr. Somwell as a teacher? माने आम राइटर माने कहते इंग्लिश एज अ सब्जेक्ट को केमती रेट करथिले, माने केमती माने मार्किंग देइथिले, आउ माने मिस्टर समरवेल का विषय कौन कहिथिले? The writer rated English as a notable thing which helped in earning a living. He believed that everyone, including the cleverer ones, should possess the knowledge of English by all means. He reacted Mr. Somwell as the most delightful man who knew exactly how to teach English to stupidest boys. He taught them as no one else had ever taught it. The writer was grateful and indebted to Mr. Somervell for teaching him the essential structure of the ordinary British sentence. It was because of him he felt an advantage over the cleverer boys in the later years of life after school. ମାନେ ସ୍କୁଲ ପରେ ସେଇ ଯୋଗୁ ମାନେ ମିଷ୍ଟର ସାମୁଏଲଙ୍କ ଯୋଗୁ ସେ ଯେହେତୁ ଇଂଲିଶ ପଢ଼େଇଥିଲେ ଆମ ଅଥର ଇଂଲିଶ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ଇଂଲିଶ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଜାଣି ଯାଇଥିଲେ, ତ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷରେ ଯେ କ୍ଲେଭର ବଏଜ୍ ଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କଠୁ ଆମ ଅଥର ବହୁତ ଆଡଭାଣ୍ଟେଜ ଗେନ୍ କରିପାରୁଥିଲେ. ଓକେ, ନେକ୍ସଟ we'll move to the which number question number 4. Okay, question number 4 ରେ କ'ଣ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି? What part of English grammar did he learn from Mr. Somervell? ମାନେ ଆମ ଅଥର ଇଂଲିଶ ଗ୍ରାମରର କୋଉ ପାର୍ଟଟା ତାଙ୍କଠୁ ମିଷ୍ଟର ସମରୱେଲଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ ପଢିଥିଲେ? The writer learned English parsing and English analysis. He also learned components of sentence like subject, object, verb, and clauses. It was because of Mr. Somervell that the essential structure of the ordinary British sentence got into the bones of the writer. Okay, the answer A haba. Next we'll move to the fifth question. Fifth question re kon achi? How did he score over the cleverer school fellows in after years? Spencer thoroughly learned English, thus it got into his bones. But the cleverer schoolfellows who had learned Latin and Greek had to come down to common English in the year after school to earn their living and make their way. There, the writer had an advantage over those boys as he knew English and its usage for day-to-day matter. Okay, तर answer टा मु मैंने screen रे show करछि, please screenshot नहीं जा so that you can write it down. Okay, why? Next question, sixth question. Why was he biased in favor of boys learning English language? ମାନେ ସିଏ ମାନେ ପିଲାଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ କାହିଁକି ଏମିତି ମାନେ differentiate କରିଥିଲେ? Because Churchill remained in the lowest third division of the fourth 3 times as long as anyone else, so he had to learn the same English lessons again and again, but it proved fruitful to him in the years after school. In spite of much humiliation at school, he felt advantageous over the ones who had learned Latin and Greek. The cleverer schoolfellow had to come down again to learn common English, so he was biased in favor of boys learning English language. Okay, ଏଇଟା ହେଇଯିବ ତାର answer. Please students, ମୁଁ ଏଥିପାଇଁ ମାନେ ଟିକେ fast କରିକି complete କରିଦଉଛି କାରଣ question answers ତ ମୁଁ ତମକୁ screen ରେ show କରିଦଉଛି, ଆଉ ମୁଁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍चंस गुड़ा बुझे दूची जे ଆଉ ତାର आंसर्स गुड़ा तो एमती भी चैप्टर्स रे बुझेई तो समस्त बुझी जाइथिबो जस्ट बिकॉज कि एग्जाम्स माने हमर जेतु हमर ने गवर्नमेंट डिसाइड करिसंती कि जून मासरे एग्जाम्स रो डेट्स फर्स्ट वीक सुधा डेट्स हमको जणाई देबे ए पैंडेमिक जो बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स होची माने सम स्टूडेंट्स माने किछि किछि स्टूडेंट्स माने बिल्कुल एग्जाम पे भल से प्रिपेयर भी हेई पार नथले सो मु चाहूथली कि माने जिते शीघ्र होई कि चैप्टर माने उडा को कंप्लीट कर दे कि तार क्वेश्चन आंसर्स तुम माने को प्रोवाइड कर देले माने तुम माने थोड़े ओवरऑल माने क्लियर भी हेई जिवो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स केमती लेखियार अछि आ ता संग मु ग्रामर पोर्शन भी टिके टिके ओवरलुक करे देबी so that it will be helpful for you all. Okay, without discussing much about it, let's move to unit 3 part माने unit 3 रो जो question answers अछि सेई पार्ट को जिबा से unit 3 रे कोन दैछंती हमर first question कोन अछि think it out रा how did the boys enjoy their time at the swimming bath माने जो swimming bath रे boys माने तांको time केमती enjoy कले okay at the swimming bath students would go in large numbers at a time and bask माने कोन करंती bask माने jump कर देंती पानी भितरे okay lay down their dips eating burns on the hot asphalt margin okay माने से जो हमरो डिप्स कहले माने दे वर जस्ट लाइंग डाउन माने सब सोई कि सेठी बर्न्स खांती आउ माने कोन तांकर जो मार्जिन थाए जो पूल रो मार्जिन थाए सेठी बसिकिरी माने सेटा बहुत गरम थाए तो सेठी बसिकिरी से माने हॉट एसफल मार्जिन माने जो स्लीपिंग जो जेतरे खरा से कोन से बीचेस मानकर देखिथिबो समस्त बसिकिरी जो माने खरा से की हुंती सेटा को कुआ जाय ओके देन द सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज what kind of pranks did they enjoy at the bath at माने को टाइप रो pranks माने enjoy कले okay at the swimming bath it was a good prank to come up behind someone and push him into the pool okay से कोन करतले swimming bath रे तांकर सबटु बेस्ट prank कोन थिला से को पिला पछे पछे आसीकिरी तांको पूल भीतर को पुश कर दोतले okay then we'll move to the third question रे कोन दिया आइची what did the writer do to the boys standing in a meditative posture माने राइटर हमर कोन करतले जो पिला हमर meditative posture रे छिडा आइतला ताको सहित हमर राइटर कोन करतले राइटर saw a boy wrapped in a towel standing in a meditative posture on the edge of the pool the writer stealthily came behind him and pushed in the pool holding onto his towel so that it should not get wet माने हम ऑथर कोन करतले ना तांको पुश कर दिला जहां को पुश करतले तांका ना कोन थिला कि कहि परिबो तांका ना कोन थिला एमरी कोन थिला तांका ना एमरी से एमरिन को पुश कर देतले कोडी पुश कर देतले ना पूल भीतर को पुश कर देतले ओके देन विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 व्हाट वाज द रिएक्शन ऑफ द बॉय माने से बॉय केमती रिएक्ट करथिला किए एमरी केमती रिएक्ट करथिले ओके the boy was very angry with the prank he emerged from the pool with a furious face and made fears the boy quickly seized him in a ferocious grip and threw him into the deepest part of the pool माने से पिला कोन गला से जो पिला को हम ऑथर माने पानी भीतर उठेल देथिले से पूरा रागी की पानी भीतर बाहर के आसला और ऑथर को धरला और पूरा माने पूल रो मझी की फोपाड़ दिला ओके देन विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन what did the writer learn about Amri from the crowd of younger boys माने हम राइटर कोन जानिबा को पाइले क्राउड यंगर बॉयज को क्राउड रु कोन जानिबा को पाइले कहा विषय ना एमरी को विषय रे Churchill learned from the crowd that Amri was from the 6th from माने से क्लास 6 को बिलोंग करतले he was the head of his house champion at gym and had his football colors they also recounted his many other titles to frame and revenge माने से डरेबाकू माने आ तांको फसेबाकू बहुत सारा माने तांकर अचीवमेंट्स गुडा कहले जोटा कि सुने कि हम ऑथर बहुत ही डरी जाइतले ओके then we'll move to the sixth question है कौन अछि why did the writer apologize for the misconduct माने हम राइटर मिसकंडक्ट पाई काई apologize करले with a lot of guilt and fear Churchill approached Amri to apologize He said sorry for playing that prank and said that he mistook Amri for a fourth who was a great man. Okay, ମାନେ ସିଏ ଆମରିଙ୍କୁ ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ କରିଦେଇଥିଲେ କି ସେ ଭାବିଥିଲେ କି ସିଏ ବି ଆମ ସହିତ ଫୋର୍ଥ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡାର୍ଡ଼ର ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ, ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ କି ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ସେ ପ୍ରାଙ୍କଟା କରିଥିଲେ. ଓକେ, ଦେନ୍ we'll move to the seventh question. Seventh question ରେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି ନା did he apologize out of fear or guilt or both? ମାନେ ଆମ ଅଥର fear ଆଉ guilt ରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ apologize କଲେ, ଫିର କିଛି ଅଲଗା reason ଥିଲା. Churchill apologized out of both fear and guilt. ମାନେ ସିଏ both fear ଆଉ guilt ଦିଟା ଏକ reason ଥିଲା ଯୋଉଥିପାଇଁ କି ସେ apologize କଲେ ଆମରିଙ୍କୁ. He was guilty of playing a prank with a boy of enormous strength, fame and reverence. Also he feared the consequence of his prank. ମାନେ ସିଏ ପ୍ରାଙ୍କର କନସିକ୍ୱେନ୍ସକୁ ବି ନେଇକି ବହୁତ ଡରି ଯାଇଥିଲେ, ସୋ ସେଥିପାଇଁ. ଓକେ, ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱିଲ୍ ମୁଭ୍ ଟୁ ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ସମସ୍ତେ ସ୍କ୍ରିନଶଟ୍ ନେଉଛ ୟା ଫିର୍ ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ରାଇଟ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଡାଉନ୍. ଓକେ, ବହୁତ କଷ୍ଟରେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ସ ଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ ଲେଖିଛି ମୁଁ ବସିକିରି, ସୋ ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ମେକ୍ ମାଇ ହାର୍ଡ଼ୱାର୍କ ଗୋ ଭେନ୍. ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ସମସ୍ତେ ସେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ସ ଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ ଟିକେ ମାର୍କ କରିକିରି ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ଦୟା କରିକି ପଢ଼ି ନେବ ଆଉ ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ଲେଖି ନେବ. ଓକେ, move to the next question. Eighth question ରେ କ'ଣ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି, did the matter end happily for the writer? ମାନେ ସେ matter writerଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ଖୁସି ଖୁସି end ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା. Yes, the matter ended satisfactorily and happily when Amory laughed and asked Churchill to be cautious in future. ମାନେ ଚର୍ଚିଲଙ୍କୁ ସେ ଫ୍ୟୁଚରରେ ବହୁତ କନସିୟସ୍ ହେବାକୁ କହିଥିଲେ, ସୋ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ମ୍ୟାଟର ସେଇଠି ହିଁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା. ଓକେ, we'll move to the unit 4 fast. We'll move to the unit 4. Unit 4 ରେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି, think it out ର first question ଅଛି. 3 years difference in age is not so important as it is at school. How does the writer prove it? ମାନେ 3 years ର ଯୋଉ difference ଅଛି, age difference, ସେଟା ମାନେ ସ୍କୁଲରେ ଯେମିତି ଇମ୍ପର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି ସେଟା ଆର୍ମିରେ ସେ ଜିନିଷଟା ଇମ୍ପର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ. ସେ କେମିତି ତାକୁ ପ୍ରୁଭ୍ କଲେ? The author is referring to Amory's and his own age difference in this line. Amory was 3 years senior to Churchill and it commanded a lot of respect in school. But the year after school, 3 years difference didn't matter much as they were sorry children, did not matter as they were colleagues in cabinet for good many years and saw a lot of each other. In fact, Amory was the Secretary of State for India in Churchill's cabinet, meaning thereby that he was junior to Churchill in stature. Okay, answer ହେଇଗଲା. Then we'll move to the second question. Second question ରେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି, how did the writer fare at school? ମାନେ writer school ରେ କେମିତି ମାନେ କେମିତି ତାଙ୍କର performance ସବୁ ଥିଲା. Okay, the writer was placed in the lowest third division of the fourth and remained stagnated in the lowest form. ମାନେ ସେ ସବୁଠୁ last ରେ ହିଁ ରହିଗଲେ 3 ବର୍ଷ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ. He was counted amongst dunces and stupidest boy, yet he had some achievements to his credit. Okay, then we'll move to the third question. Third question କ'ଣ ଅଛି, how did he win a prize at school? ମାନେ ଆମ writer school ରେ କେମିତି prize ଜିତିଥିଲେ? The writer won a prize for reading to the headmaster 1200 lines of Macaulay's Lays of ancient Rome without making a single mistake. It was a surprise for the lowest form from boy to win that prize which was open to the whole school. ମାନେ ସେଇଠି ଯେଉଁ ଆମର ଅଥର ଯେଉଁ ରିସାଇଟ୍ କରିଥିଲେ ଯେଉଁ ତାଙ୍କର ମାନେ ଯେଉଁ ଲେଜ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଏନ୍ସିଏଣ୍ଟ ରୋମ୍ଟାକୁ ସେଇଟା ଶୁଣିକିରି ସମସ୍ତେ ମାନେ ଲୋଏଷ୍ଟ ଫର୍ମ ଲାଷ୍ଟରେ ଯେଉଁ फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड जितकी भी पिला थे समस्त सरप्राइज ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କର ଏଇ ପରଫର୍ମାନ୍ସ ଦେଖିକିରି. ଓକେ, ୱିଲ୍ ମୁଭ୍ ଟୁ ଦ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍. ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନରେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି ଆମର, ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଇଜ୍ why was the writer's noteworthy achievement what was the writer's noteworthy achievement at school? ରାଇଟରଙ୍କ ସବୁଠୁ ବେଷ୍ଟ achievement ସ୍କୁଲର କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? ଓକେ, the writer passed the preliminary examination for the army while at the bottom of the school. It was a noteworthy achievement as many boys far above him in the school had failed in it. Also, he had won a prize for for reciting 1200 lines in and Molly's lies of ancient Rome without making any mistake. ମାନେ ସେ କ'ଣ କରିଥିଲେ ନା ସବୁ ଯେହେତୁ ସେ ପ୍ରିଲିମ୍ସରେ କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଏ କରି ଯାଇଥିଲେ ମାନେ ପ୍ରି ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ସରେ କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଏ କରି ଯାଇଥିଲେ ଯେଉଁ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ସ କି ତାଙ୍କ ସ୍କୁଲରୁ ଆହୁରି ବି ବାକି ଯେଉଁ ତାଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ଯେଉଁ କ୍ଲାସ୍ର ଯେଉଁ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ମାନେ ଯେଉଁ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଥର୍ଡ ଯେଉଁମାନେ କି ଟପ୍ରେ ଥିଲେ ସେମାନେ ବି ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ବଟ୍ ସେମାନେ କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଏ କରିପାରିଲେନି ଆଉ ଆମ ରାଇଟର ଯେହେତୁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ଲାଷ୍ଟରେ ଥିଲେ କ୍ଲାସ୍ରେ ସେ କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଏ କରିଗଲେ so it was a noteworthy ସବୁଠୁ ବଡ଼ achievement ଥିଲା ସେଇଟା ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ okay then we'll move to the fifth question fifth question ରେ କ'ଣ ଅଛି how did the writer prepare himself for the preliminary exam for the army ମାନେ ରାଇଟର ନିଜକୁ କେମିତି ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରିଥିଲେ ପ୍ରିଲିମିନାରୀ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ସ ମାନେ ପ୍ରି ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ସ ଆର୍ମିର ପ୍ରି ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ସ ପାଇଁ ରାଇଟର ନିଜକୁ କେମିତି ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରିଥିଲେ ଓକେ ଆମ ରାଇଟର କ'ଣ କରିଥିଲେ ନା the writer had put forth a very special offer or effort for the preliminary examination for the army ମାନେ ଆମ ରାଇଟର ବହୁତ ମେହନତ କରିଥିଲେ ସେ ପ୍ରିଲିମିନାରୀ ଏକ୍ଜାମ ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ହି ଏଫର୍ଟ ପୁଟ୍ କରିଥିଲେ ଆଉ he had a piece of good luck too ମାନେ ସିଏ ତାଙ୍କ କହିବା ଅନୁସାରେ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୁଡ୍ ଲକ୍ ବି ଥିଲା ତା ସହ ଯୋଉଥିପାଇଁ କି ସେ ମାନେ ଆରାମ ସେ କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଏ କରିପାରିଲେ okay he knew that beside other questions students would be asked to draw a map of some country or other ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଜଣା ଥିଲା କି ବାକି ସବୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟାପ୍ ବି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ପଚରା ହେଇପାରିବ ତ ସେ କ'ଣ କରିଥିଲେ ନା the night before the final preparation he put the names of all the maps in the atlas into a hat and drew out one ମାନେ ହ୍ୟାଟ୍ଟା ଆମର କ'ଣ ରୁହେ ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ରୁହେ ସୋ ତାଙ୍କ ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ସବୁଯାକ ସେ ଆଟଲାସ୍ର ପୁରା ସବୁଯାକ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରିଜ୍ ମାର୍କ କରିଥିଲେ ଆଉ ତା ଭିତରୁ ଗୋଟେ ହିଁ ବନେଇଥିଲେ ଯୋଉଟାକି କୋଉଠିକାର ମ୍ୟାପ୍ ଥିଲା ନା ନ୍ୟୁଜିଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡର okay he applied all the good memory to the geography of that only on Dominion luckily the first question in the paper was to draw a map of New Zealand and the first question भी ତାଙ୍କର ସେଇଆ ହିଁ draw କରିବାକୁ ଥିଲା okay the answer ମାନେ ମୁଁ particular answer ଟାକୁ ପୁରା କହି ଦଉଛି starting ରୁ ଆଉଥରେ the writer had put forth a very special effort for the preliminary exam for the army he had a piece of good luck too he knew that beside other questions students would be asked to draw a map of some country or other the night before the final preparation he put the names of all the maps in the atlas into a hat and drew out one of which was New Zealand. He applied all the good memory to the geography of that only on Dominion. Luckily, the first question in the paper was to draw a map of New Zealand. Okay, से बहुत lucky भी थिले, plus से बहुत preparation भी करी थिले. Okay, last but not the least, we'll move to the sixth question. Sixth question में कौन दिया है Why does he call his success an N-plane? ମାନେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ସକ୍ସେସକୁ ଏନ୍ ପ୍ଲେନ୍ କାହିଁକି ଏନ୍ ପ୍ଲେନ୍ ଭାବେ କାହିଁ ସମ୍ବୋଧିତ କରନ୍ତି in gambling success is an n plane meant to place the entire money bet on one single number ମାନେ ସିଏ ତାଙ୍କ ଲାଇଫଟାକୁ ମାନେ ଯାହା ବି କରିଥିଲେ କେବେ ବି ୱାର୍କ କରିନଥିଲେ ବଟ୍ ଗୋଟେ ପଏଣ୍ଟରେ ସେ ପୁରା ସକ୍ସେସଫୁଲ୍ ହେଇଗଲେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଭୁଲ ପ୍ରୁଭ୍ କରିଦେଲେ ତ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ହବ in gambling success by an n plane meant to place the entire money or bet on one single number. Gambler is thus rewarded heavily for his win. Okay, ମାନେ ଗ୍ୟାମ୍ବଲରକୁ ସେ ମାନେ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଗ୍ୟାମ୍ବଲର ମାନଙ୍କୁ ମାନେ ବହୁତ ମାନେ ବଡ଼ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଦିଆଯାଏ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେମାନେ ଜିତନ୍ତି ଓକେ ସିମିଲାରଲି ଚର୍ଚିଲ୍ ଟୁ ପୁଟ୍ ଅଲ୍ ହିଜ୍ ଏଫର୍ଟ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଗୁଡ୍ ମେମୋରି ଟୁ ୱାନ୍ ମ୍ୟାପ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ଅନ୍ ନ୍ୟୁଜିଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଆଣ୍ଡ ହିଜ୍ ଲକ୍ he got the same question in the paper ମାନେ ଚର୍ଚିଲ୍ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କର ସବୁ ଏଫର୍ଟ ପକେଇ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ନ୍ୟୁଜିଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡର ମ୍ୟାପ୍ଟାକୁ ଲର୍ନ କରିବାକୁ ମାନେ ପୁରା ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ରଖିବାକୁ ଆଉ ବାଇ ଲକ୍ ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ସେଇ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ମାନେ ସେଇ ମ୍ୟାପ୍ ହିଁ ତାଙ୍କର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ପେପର ପ୍ରି ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ସର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ରେ ଆସିଥିଲା ଯେଉଁଥିପାଇଁ କି ସେ ଇଜିଲି ସେ ମ୍ୟାପ୍ଟାକୁ ଡ୍ର କରିପାରିଲେ ଦସ୍ ହି ପାସ୍ଡ the preliminary examination for army when many boys above him in the school had failed in it okay ତ ସେଇ ଯୋଗୁଁ ସେ କ'ଣ କରିପାରିଲେ ନା ତାଙ୍କର ପ୍ରିଲିମିନାରୀ ଏକ୍ଜାମରେ ସେ ପାସ୍ କରିପାରିଲେ ଯେଉଁ ଜାଗାରେ କି ବାକି ସବୁ ପିଲା କ'ଣ କଲେ ନା ସେମାନେ ସେଇ ପ୍ରିଲିମିନାରୀ ଏକ୍ଜାମକୁ ମାନେ ଏକ୍ଜାମରେ ମାନେ କ୍ଲିୟର କରିପାରିଲେନି ଓକେ दिस इज ऑल माने इतकी ही अच्छी से चैप्टर क्वेश्चन आंसर्स इतकी ही अच्छी आउ आमे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आज कंप्लीट करदेले वी माने फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग टू वी कंप्लीटेड माने दीटा प्रोज हमर कंप्लीट हे गला नेक्स्ट आई विल ट्राई कि गोटे पोएट्री भी कंप्लीट हे दीटा प्रोज कंप्लीट हे गला गोटे पोएट्री भी कंप्लीट कर दबा नेक्स्ट पोएट्री इज योर डैफोडिल्स आई थिंक तो से डैफोडिल्स टाको कंप्लीट करबा नेक्स्ट क्लास रे आउ माने बहुत जल्दी कंप्लीट करके मु तार भी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स दे देबी तम मानकु सो दैट तम माने प्रिपेयर हे जाई परिबो माने इजीली प्रिपेयर हे परिबो एग्जाम्स पे आउ माने आई होप माने समस्ते माने बुझी पारल कि मु कोन एक्सप्लेन करूतिली हमर चैप्टर वाज ऑल अबाउट व्हाट माने कोन कोन अछि ए चैप्टर रे सब जिंस बुझी पारथबो आ जदि किछि डाउट थिबो प्लीज 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 इट्स अ काइंड रिक्वेस्ट कि तम माने मते माने जदि कमेंट सेक्शन रे मोर जदि भी किछि माने मिस्टेक रहूची कि किछि बुझेबार माने बुझिबार तम मानक जदि किछि प्रॉब्लम रहूची देन प्लीज मते जणैले मु सेही हिसाब रे तम मानकु नेक्स्ट आउ बाकी सब जतले मु वीडियो बनेबी तम मानकु सेही हिसाब रे मु गाइड करि परिबी ओके आउ प्लीज डू लर्न द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स प्रॉपर्ली चैप्टर्स गुड़ा को प्लीज थॉरोली रीड करूथ बिकॉज माने ड्यू टू द पैंडेमिक एग्जाम्स ना पोस्टपोन हो गला माने बट आई एम श्योर कि माने जितबे भी एग्जाम्स हम एग्जाम्स रो क्वेश्चन लेवल टा टिके टफ रहिबो बिकॉज माने मोर देन एनफ टाइम मिली तापर भी सिलेबस भी रिड्यूस कर दिया जाइए ओके एंड ग्रामर पार्ट आउ मोर बाकी जो पार्ट्स गुड़ा अच्छी माने हमरो ग्रामर पार्ट है राइटिंग पार्ट है एटा तो लिटरेचर पार्ट गुड़ा सब मु सबूर क्वेश्चन आंसर्स एंड ऑल पूरा भल से प्रोवाइड करदेवी माने मे एट द मिड ऑफ मे मिडल सुधा मु सब जगह चैप्टर्स कंप्लीट करके तुम मन क्वेश्चन आंसर प्रोवाइड करदेवी तार टेंशन बिल्कुल भी नबनी आउ सो सेतल जाए प्लीज 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 बुक्स गुड़ा को थॉरली पढ़ माने मु बहुत रिक्वेस्ट करछु तुम मानकु बुक्स गुड़ा को थॉरली पढ़ आउ माने मु बहुत ही मेहनत करके वीडियो गुड़ा को बनाउची सो तम मानक पे जस्ट बिकॉज माने तम मानक बेनिफिट हे परिबो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द वीडियो एंड द चैनल आउ नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे माने रेडी रहिबो नेक्स्ट क्लास नेक्स्ट वीडियो मु बहुत जल्दी आनी के आसीबी हमर पोएट्री ऊपर माने पोएट्री ऊपर सो टिल देन टेक केयर एंड थैंक यू